Hi, my name is Bhairav Shankar. I'm the CEO of Avantari Technologies. Today I'm going to show a quick demonstration on how we plan to use augmented reality to create a world-class recipe app. Kneading, cutting, folding and baking, techniques like these need to be done perfectly to create a world-class dish. Using augmented reality on the ITC application, I'm going to show you one such simple technique, how to cut an onion. I'm going to launch the ITC MastAR Chef app here. And today's recipe is grilled chicken with mushroom sauce. I'm going to go down here and click the master button. Then select the chopping of the onion. And then all I need to do is to be able to catch the frame of my chopping board and tap
Hey,
it.
I'm the ITC Master Chef. I'm going to help teach you how to chop an onion perfectly. So let's get an onion and a knife onto the chopping board. Now pick up the knife and cut the onion into two. Okay, good. Now hold the onion like this. Make sure your fingers are in this position so that you don't cut your fingertips. Good, now use your knuckles as a guide to put your knife down in a straight line. Push the onion forward with your thumb as you keep cutting. That's it. It's done. Now you try it.
That's why it's important to be able to see this in all angles. Even going right up close and noticing the position of the fingers and the knuckles with respect to the knife. That's what 360-degree AR enables us to do. It's a fun and unique way to learn a new technique. And at the same time, the users are going to love it, show it off to their friends, and become brand ambassadors for the app. Today we consume food with our eyes, and making food look good is important. Here's something that no other application in the world even talks about: how to create a stunning plate of food. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we plan to use the augmented reality experience on the ITC application to style your plate.
Hey, looks like you want to make a complex plating dish. No problem. I'm going to walk you through it. Put the sauce on the plate in a circular pattern. No need for perfection. I'm going to add some reduced balsamic vinegar in the same pattern. Now I'm adding some grilled onions, some carrots, some sauteed button mushrooms. Cut the chicken into two pieces and place them one on top of the other on the center of your plate. Add a little bit more sauce on the top, some cherry tomatoes on the side, topping it with some microgreens. Parsley leaves on the side will add a little bit more color. That's it. Isn't this a work of art? Bon appetit.
With augmented reality, users now have the ability to choose from a wide variety of plating options. Now users can see how the food will look on their plate even before they've cooked it. So for occasions like an anniversary or a family meal, users can now have the perfect plate of food.